Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking Karela ki sabji, a sukhi sabzi that has a unique taste because of the recipe we have used to make it. This Karela ki sabji is healthy and tasty, and we are sure that once you taste it, you will never forget its wonderful flavor. After watching this recipe video, you will want to try this sabji for its taste and benefits. Let us quickly see why Karela ki sabji is highly beneficial for your health. Eating Karela ki sabji improves digestion, provides the body with plenty of fiber, and boosts immunity. It helps control blood sugar as it contains active compounds like charanthine and polypeptide B that may help manage blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It aids weight loss as it is low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full for a long time. It boosts immunity as it is packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that help protect cells and support the immune system. It supports the body's natural detoxification processes to purify the blood as it acts as a natural body and liver detoxifier which supports flush out harmful toxins. It is good for the skin as it may help prevent acne and give your skin a healthy glow. Let's see some important tips before cooking Karela. Clean the bitter gourds well in salted water. Also add turmeric powder and lemon to remove surface dirt, residues, or pesticides. Discard mature, woody, or hard seeds, as they can be difficult to digest and may cause stomach irritation. Ensure the sabji is thoroughly cooked rather than consuming raw preparations to make it gentler on your digestive tract. Let's learn about food combinations with Karela that you should know about. Avoid consuming milk, yogurt, or buttermilk immediately after or with bitter gourd. Radish should be avoided with or after eating bitter gourd, as it may be heavy on the digestive system. Many people prepare ladyfinger vegetable along with bitter gourd, but from a health point of view, the combination of these two can slow down digestion. Eating mango or other sour fruits with bitter gourd can cause heaviness and acidity in the stomach. According to Ayurveda, avoid consuming honey with bitter gourd, as it is traditionally believed to produce harmful effects. We will feel encouraged to make more videos if you like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Also, check out our channel's playlists for many more delicious recipes. Here's everything we'll need to make this tasty and healthy dish. Make sure you have all the ingredients ready. Freshly chopped Karela, salt, turmeric powder, and lemon for preparing Karela. Oil, coriander seeds, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, white till, roasted groundnut, garlic, dried chili, grated coconut, and tamarind for preparing the masala. Also add salt, hing, turmeric powder, and chili powder, and grind this masala in a mixer grinder. Curry leaves, green chili, jaggery, sliced tomato, sliced onion, mustard seeds, and jeera for the initial preparation. Let us now see how this healthy and tasty Karela ki sabzi is made. Firstly, we need to prepare the bitter gourd. For this, we need to slice small pieces of the bitter gourd, as shown in the video. We will then add salt, turmeric powder, and lemon and mix them together. In a few minutes, we will see that the sliced bitter gourd is mixed properly with the salt, turmeric powder, and lemon. Keep it aside so that it settles. Now, let us prepare the main masala for the sabji. Turn on the gas stove, place a tadka pan with oil, and let it heat. Now add coriander seeds and jeera seeds. Stir them well. Now we shall add chana dal and urad dal and stir them properly so that the oil coats them well and they are fried. We shall now add white till, roasted groundnut, peeled garlic, 1 big dried chili, grated coconut, and tamarind. Stir and mix everything well so that all the ingredients are fried and heated properly. Once cooked, remove the ingredients from the pan and place them on a plate. We shall now add a little sea salt, hing powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder and mix everything well. Let this masala come to room temperature. Till then, we shall check the sliced Karela. Add water to the sliced Karela and rub it with your fingers so that the excess bitterness is removed. Remove the water and add more water to the ball and rub the sliced Karela again. As the masala has cooled to room temperature, we need to grind the masala ingredients in a mixer grinder, as shown in the video. Now, let us start cooking the Karela ki sabji. Turn on the gas stove and place a cooking vessel on the gas stove with oil in it. Let the oil heat. Once the oil is heated, add the sliced Karela to the pan. Stir it well so that the oil coats the sliced Karela properly. Keep stirring it. After it is fried well, we need to take it out of the cooking pan. In the same cooking pan, we need to add mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Let them fry. Then add curry leaves. Now add sliced chili to the pan. Also, add the chopped onions. Fry them well until the color of the chopped onions changes to translucent. Now add sliced tomato to the cooking pan and stir it so that the oil coats it well. Now, add the Karela that we fried earlier to the cooking pan. Keep stirring it, and after 2 minutes, add the ground masala we prepared earlier to our cooking pan. Also, add crushed jaggery to the cooking pan. Stir all the ingredients well. To let it cook properly, place a lid on top of the cooking pan. After 2 minutes, open the lid, stir, and check the sabji. Again, place the lid and let it cook. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Look, the sabzi is cooked well in the steam now. See how well the Karela ki sabzi is cooked. It is best when served hot with roti or chapati. It can also be served as an independent side dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another delicious recipe, straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.